Start.
After the Supreme Court stayed the Maratha Reservation Act, I tried to point out before the media as to how Mr. Ashutosh Kumbhakoni, the Advocate General for the state of Maharashtra, did not appear in the matters and how it has affected to the case. Thereafter, Mr. Kumbhakoni alleged that the then Fadnavis government asked him not to appear in the matters. Therefore, it is now necessary for me to give this explanation that now by making allegations against the then government, an attempt is being made to divert the main issue of his non-appearance and he is trying to hide his failure. One can understand that the government works after issuing written orders only. If there is any written order asking him not to appear in the matters, then he can show it and end the controversy. Even for sake of arguments, it is considered that there was an order. Then being the Advocate General holding a constitutional position, by showing self-pride, Mr. Kumbhakoni should have resigned at that very moment. I need to raise one more question, that is, Fadnavis government came to an end in November 2019. By that time, the matter had travelled to the Supreme Court. A question needs to be asked as to whether this government also asked him not to appear before the Supreme Court. Reason why I am repeating again and again that it was necessary for Mr. Kumbhakoni to appear in the matter is that in the interim order, the Supreme Court has specifically mentioned that the state of Maharashtra could not point out or could not justify the reason of exceeding the reservation to 50%. Basis of that exceeding 50% reservation was the Gaikwad Commission's report. Nobody read Justice Gaikwad Commission's report before the Supreme Court. Being the Advocate General, not only that, being a senior advocate from the state of Maharashtra, it was incumbent upon Mr. Kumbhakoni to read the report before the Supreme Court and justify that how 50% exceeding reservation was legal and proper. Everybody knows how Mr. Kumbhakoni has been reappointed as the Advocate General. One can verify from the records. But by considering his moral responsibility, Mr. Ashutosh Kumbhakoni, the Advocate General for the state of Maharashtra, should resign. This is my personal opinion.